Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Describe a person who likes to read a lot. You should say who this person is, how you knew him/her, what she likes to read, and explain why you think she likes to read a lot. One of my best friends is Emma, who is fond of reading books, especially English literature. She is a really considerate individual and a teacher by profession. Her passion for reading is one of the first things I noticed in her. Even though we've known each other for years, no matter where she travels, she never leaves her bag without a book. Her house is overflowing with books because she reads so much, and she never stops telling me about the newest book she's picked up. Emma and I were high school friends. When we were seated next to one another in English class, we became friends. Emma used to spend much of her recesses reading a novel in a corner, while the rest of us would speak or play games. We began conversing about books because I was interested in what she was reading at the time. This led to the development of a close friendship. Emma has a passion for reading fiction, especially classic works. She adores writers such as Leo Tolstoy, Charles Dickens, and Jane Austen. She likes reading books that examine relationships and human emotions. She doesn't, however, stick to fiction. She enjoys reading biographies of well-known historical people and has a similar interest in history books. Emma claims that reading broadens her knowledge of the globe and its civilizations. Emma reads a lot, in my opinion, because she enjoys it so much. She considers reading to be a way of life, not merely a hobby. It takes her to other times and places and helps her unwind after a demanding workday. She probably enjoys reading since it opens her mind to new concepts and viewpoints on life. Emma is always excited to talk about the fascinating anecdotes or phrases from the books she reads. Her passion for reading, in my opinion, makes her a highly intelligent and accepting person, and I genuinely like that about her. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.